guys, guess what today is? It's cruise day, and it's been a struggle, let me tell you. It's been a struggle to get to the port. Anyways, guess what ship we are going on? The Celebrity Solstice. The Celebrity Solstice out of LA, Port of Los Angeles. So this is new. This is a new ship for me, new cruise line. I am excited, intrigued, and I can't wait to see what's gonna come of this cruise. So it was a little bit stressful getting here, but I'm here and I'm excited. Yay! Celebrity Solstice, my first time on Celebrity, so I am excited, guys. Come along on this journey. We're back at it again, baby. We're on here. Hello. Yeah. Whew. Excuse me. Thank you. Ooh. Finally aboard the Solstice. I'll take a look around.
Good afternoon. Currently, a small percentage of our guests still need to physically check in at their emergency assembly station set sail.
They're literally talking about
Please
us.
note that
We're like the last person
who was
to
not
check in.
completed this final step to set sail with us today.
We have to go to our muster.
We cannot allow anyone who was not completed this final step
They're waiting on
to
us.
set sail with us today.
We literally just
You'll
got on
find
the
your
ship
assembly
though,
station
so
number
we're on our
on
way.
the back of your state.
Oh my God, guys. Okay, so just got into the room after trying to find it for a minute. But I found it, and this is the room. Okay, so got a little decor right here. Got a little couch. Okay, it's very simple. Not much going on with the decor. They got a picture right there. You see Chloe in the background. The bed looks nice. Looks pretty big. Comfy. Oh, I see some closet space over there. We got a TV. Flat screen. Oh, okay. Got like a dresser drawer. Ooh. Okay. Got a lot of space here. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, we got wine. Guys, I don't think you should drink those. They might charge you. Matter of fact, I know they'll charge you. Chloe, you don't want me to do the room tour real fast? Okay, here's the balcony. Oh, we got a balcony, y'all. We got a balcony. Oh, it's a nice spacious balcony. Okay, we got a little chair and a table. So we have one chair and a table. And so this is kind of like how it looks. Okay, Chloe. Oh, and this is beautiful Port of LA, Port of Los Angeles. So, well, it's kind of like industrial. A lot of freight going on over here. But anyways, it's a beautiful bridge though. This bridge is gorgeous. We drove over this bridge and the view is amazing. But yeah, guys, I'm off. We're gonna be off. Okay, I have to go. I gotta get Chloe out and get her dressed, but we're gonna be heading out to do our muster real fast because they're waiting on us literally. So once I finish the muster, I'll get back with y'all. All right, guys, so I found the buffet area here on Celebrity Solstice. So I'm gonna hurry up and grab some food because I think the buffet is about to close. So just know that I found it and I'm about to eat. This is the top level deck on the Celebrity Solstice, and in the distance that is the Ruby Princess. I do want to take a cruise on that one pretty soon. This is the overall pool on the Celebrity Solstice, and it's a really chill, laid back type of environment. It was a little chilly, so no one was really in the pool, but everyone was still laid back and hanging out in the sun. This is the Sky Observation Lounge, and it is just that. They have some seats and chairs where you can look out the window and get a great view of the ocean when you're at sea. They also have some interesting artwork here. But as you can see, the views will be amazing looking out these windows. It's a real nice place to just hang out and have some quiet time during the day. Now at night, this kind of doubles as a nightclub. So I did come here one night and it was pretty packed. And they have like a live band playing. They had a DJ also at one point. They have a nice spacious dance floor to dance to. They had the bar going. So yeah, this is a pretty nice place at night as well. Nice little lounge to hang out. This is Celebrity Central, so kind of like your promenade, kind of like your atrium area here on Celebrity Solstice. And here they have a wide range of things. They have your casinos on this floor. They do have some shops that you can go shopping in. They do have your next cruise station here. This was just kind of like a little lounge that I kind of saw that was. A DJ would be in that little circular little sphere type of deal, and they would play music. Like I said, your future cruises would be right here. And again, they had shops and your casinos as well. Down here in this area, they did have a lot of performances. They had bands playing, so people would dance throughout the day, and they had music playing as well. So it was a real cool little area to hang out. And here's Fortune's Casino. It is a small casino, but hey, it gets the job done. Hey guys, this is where this video ends, but make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of Celebrity Solstice. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Toy, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!